Good morning, Shem Stars. In this presentation, we will talk about body fluid and circulation, chapter 18. And we will be focusing on blood, blood plasma, and the cells present in the blood. We know that all living cells have to be provided with nutrients, oxygen, and other essential substances. Also, the waste or the harmful substances produced have to be removed continuously for healthy functioning of tissues. It is therefore essential to have efficient mechanisms for the movement of these substances to the cells and from the cells. Complex organisms use special fluids within their bodies to transport such materials. Blood is the most commonly used body fluid by most of the higher organisms, including human beings, for this purpose. Another body fluid, lymph, also helps in the transportation of certain substances. Let's discuss about blood. Blood is a special connective tissue consisting of a fluid matrix, plasma, and formed elements. Plasma is a straw colored, viscous fluid constituting nearly 55% of the blood, and 90 to 92% of plasma is water, and proteins contribute 6 to 8% of it. Fibrinogen, globulins, and albumins are the major proteins present in blood plasma. Plasma also contains small amounts of minerals like sodium, calcium, magnesium, bicarbonate, and chloride ions. Glucose, amino acids, lipids are also present in plasma as they are always in transit in the body. Factors for coagulation of blood are also present in plasma in an inactive form. Plasma without the clotting factors is called serum. Erythrocytes, leukocytes, and platelets are collectively called formed elements, and they constitute nearly 45% of the blood. Let's talk about these elements one by one. Erythrocyte or red blood cells are the most abundant of all the cells in blood. RBCs are formed in the red bone marrow in the adults. RBCs are devoid of nucleus in most of the mammals and are concave in shape. The red color of these cells is due to presence of iron containing complex protein called hemoglobin. A healthy individual has 12 to 16 grams of hemoglobin in every 100 ml of blood. These molecules play a significant role in transport of respiratory gases. RBCs have an average lifespan of 120 days, after which they are destroyed. The next important element, leukocytes, are also known as white blood cells, as they are colorless due to the lack of hemoglobin. Leukocytes are generally short-lived. We have two main categories of white blood cells, granulocytes and agranulocytes. Neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils are different types of granulocytes, while lymphocytes and monocytes are the agranulocytes. Neutrophils are the most abundant cells of the total WBCs, and basophils are the least among them. Lymphocytes are of two major types, B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. And these lymphocytes are responsible for immune responses of the body. Another important element of the blood is blood platelets, also called thrombocytes, are cell fragments produced from megakaryocytes, special cells in the bone marrow. Blood platelets can release a variety of substances, most of which are involved in the coagulation or clotting of blood. A reduction in their number can lead to clotting disorders, which will lead to excessive loss of blood from the body. So children, this is all about blood and different cells present in blood plasma. I hope you must have understood. In the next presentation, we will discuss about blood groups. Thank you, Shem Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on Google Classroom. Take care.